So as you can see, currently I'm working with a project in my Premiere Pro, and my project name is My Test. Now I'm going to editing these footage or clips, and now without saving, let's close Premiere Pro. So I'm clicking on no. Now let's see how to recover your unsaved project. So go ahead and relaunch your Adobe Premiere Pro again. Once you successfully relaunched your Adobe Premiere Pro, now go to your File Explorer and go to the drive where you installed your Adobe Premiere Pro. So I've installed Adobe Premiere Pro in my local disk C drive, and once you are in the drive, click on the search local disk box and type here Premiere Pro. And as a search results, here you will find Premiere Pro folder. So open the Premiere Pro folder, open this folder, and here you should see this Adobe Premiere Pro autosave folder. So open this folder, and inside of this folder, here you will find all of your unsaved projects. So here we can see my project, My Test, and now all you have to need, double click on this project, and the project will be automatically import in your Adobe Premiere Pro. Here we can see the unsaved project. Now you can go ahead and work with this project.